Hi friends, welcome back. I am sharing with you a little bit of a house tour of all of my Valentine's Day decor that I put up this year because this is the first year that I've really decorated for Valentine's Day. I usually do like a little centerpiece or something here and there, but I didn't really make a complete look before. So this isn't a tutorial. I have tutorials for all of this up already, but I thought I'd share some of my thought process and inspiration. So this inspiration for my dining room was actually inspired by these fun window clings that I found at Hobby Lobby. They incorporate leopard, which I love, and buffalo plaid, which, let's be honest, a lot of us have from Christmas time anyways. So I thought how nice it is to extend the use of some of the items they already have. I was so proud of myself. I made these napkins myself. This is my third sewing project ever. So for me, it was really fun to create a custom look for myself inspired by things that I really love. And I want to share these things with you guys so that way you don't feel compelled to have to go out and buy everything. Making something yourself doesn't have to be perfect. You know, it's made with love and it's going to get better the more you do it. So whether you're learning to sew, floral arrange, decorate a tree, I mean, you get better the more you do it, right? So I really encourage you guys to step outside your comfort zone. We're all spending so much more time home this year. You might as well make it something beautiful and exciting to wake up to. The morning light is so pretty over here. I love the jungle vibes with the weird print of buffalo mixed in. It's odd and I love it. And it's not like over the top romantic frilly. But my tree, on the other hand, is a little bit more on the traditional romantic side because it's inspired by like a giant rose shrub. And if you guys missed the tutorial on it, I called it the Let Love Grow tree, and it's really inspired by just blooming where you are, like let love grow where you are, and the more you love yourself and love others, the world's going to be a better place. So I don't know. It just seemed like a natural fit for me to do this for my tree this year. So I incorporated some gnomes. So all of my gnomes on the tree have a partner. I even found some cool leftover swans that I had post holiday clearance for Michael's. Which, by the way, all of this floral is post Christmas clearance, including some of the champagne picks. So did not did not spend a lot on this tree. I know it might look like I did, and I made all the hearts myself, you guys, so I was super proud about that. See, like the hearts were literally my second sewing project after a pillowcase, and then I was like, well, I can make those, I can make anything, so then I made the napkins, and I did. So this is a little bit more traditional romantic style decor, but I really loved it. And when I was unpacking what little Valentine's Day I do have, I found my dinosaurs that I made last year or the year before for my centerpiece, and I love them. So they got incorporated in. This tinsel tree I adore just because pink and tinsel, like, you can't be mad about it. So whatever leftover champagne picks that I had and my random tinsel garland from last year, I just kind of threw in here. And then I just wired on these easy foam hearts. And I think it just kind of makes like a simple, whimsical kind of thing a look. The ornaments that I made, they're not winning any awards for perfection, but they add a little pop of fun hearts to the tree. And I mean, you guys see this, like, this is not a super fancy over the top heavily designed tree. It's very light and simple, and that's kind of what I want to show you guys. Like, not everything has to be over the top. It's just a few little ornaments here and there, a little bit of garland, and it makes for a really exciting and pretty tree. And if you guys saw the tutorial on that, you know that this was largely a Stash Busters project for me anyways. So I get to use things that I already had. Awesome, right? So I kind of went all over with my Valentine's Day decor this year. We have kind of a simple tree here, the Let Love Grow garden rose tree over there, and then we have the fun Wild About You tablescape and dining room decor. So it's okay if your house is a little mismatched and whatnot. It's your house. As long as you like it and you enjoy it, I want you guys to feel empowered to do what you love. Because let's be honest, guys, we're spending a lot more time at home, and it doesn't look like we're going to be out and about as like we used to pre-COVID anytime soon. So you might as well enjoy the space you're in. I hope you guys enjoyed this Valentine's Day home tour. Let me know if you want to see more in the future with upcoming holidays.